hear that? We must be getting close. Hold on.
The trend is over. The 100 layers trend has been over for, I don't know, almost a year now. But that's okay. You should know by now that I do not give up, and I want to do 100 layers of SPINNYBOIZ because I am desperately out of ideas. However, I really hoped you liked that little intro because...
Turn forever hand in hand. Take it all and all your stride. It is sticking, falling down. Love forever, love is free. Turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land. Is everybody here?
There are no SPINNYBOIZ anywhere. This is gonna be impossible.
Oh, here we go again. Don't act like you love me. I know that you never did. Come on, your heart is like a prophecy, but I know it's false. I'm catching your bluff again. So could you walk away? I don't wanna see your face. I'm honestly just trying to move on. Please don't say my name. I don't wanna hear your voice. You serious? They give me no choice. You're so cool. Probably think you got me fooled. I'm about to tell them, gonna tell them. Yeah, yeah, you're so cool. Probably think you got me fooled. I'm about to tell them, gonna tell them, gonna tell them the truth. Oh yeah. Right hand on the word, gonna tell them the truth will never satisfy. You're twisted all wrong. Start singing another song. Oh, you had my hands in shackles. You forced me to crawl like I was your puppy dog. So come on, walk away. I don't wanna see your face. I'm honestly just trying to move.
Listen, it took me 2 days to finally finish screenshotting all of the SPINNYBOIZ, but now it is the long-awaited time of putting the SPINNYBOIZ on this canvas. So yeah, let's just get started with that.
Don't stop, get it. We are your captains in a stay. Watch me navigate. Windmill, windmill for the land. Turn forever.
Well, there you have it, 100 layers of SPINNYBOIZ. I know you are disappointed in me, so I will leave. Goodbye. Have a nice evening.